Hey, it's Mike from Game World Engineer. Today is the final day of this Flash Deals sale. Um, so you'll notice they've changed it a little bit here. They've got 50% off, and those are the older ones, and then the Flash Deals sale. But so let's see what they have today. We click that. Oh, there's no results. They messed up on day 14, but you may not find it, but there's still assets on sale, and it's a good thing I went through and saved my favorites out last night. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to find these. But here's the top 8 flash deals for today that are still on sale for 70% off. So regardless of the glitch on the asset store, I'll put a link down below to this list, this public list that you can come and see how to get to these. So let's get started. First, we have the Adventure Puzzle Kit by Speed Tutor. It's $15. This allows you to do all different things in your games. Like there's a key system, safes, examine, letters and notes, gas masks. There's an inventory, fuse box system, generator system, padlock, valve system, lever system, keypads, chess puzzle, and a flashlight system and a phone call system. So there's quite a lot of systems that you could add to other games like FPSs or puzzle games or anything like that, exploration games. So take a look at this. And Speed Tutor on his YouTube channel has tutorials on how to use this as well. So go check it out. Next we have the Castle Valley Collection 1 by Grammetry. And mine shows free just because I already own it, but and this scene that you're seeing here does not come with the spider and the guy I'm running, but it comes with all these assets, modular desert environment with rocks and cliffs and mesas and all types of things like this. So if you want to do like a Western game that takes place in like the Badlands and those type of environments, then this is a good pack. It gets really good reviews, and yeah, it's modular, so you can create your own environment with it. So take a look at this. I would recommend it. It's at 70% off today. I'm not sure what the actual price is for you, but check it out. Next, we have Digger, Terrain Caves and Overhangs for $20.70. And this allows you to create holes in your terrain. So if you want to make caves or tunnels or, dig underneath overhangs, yep, caves like this, it'll dig inside your terrains, and you can do stuff like this, like overhangs, bridges like that too, which is pretty good. And then so it allows you to create things like that. So holes through, let the water through type thing. So check it out. There's a pro version that allows you to do all this in game, right? So real time in game. But this one is just for design time. So when you're designing your levels, you can use the digger tools to dig holes in it. But if you want to do this programmatically at runtime inside of a game, say you want to do like some sort of a builder game, then you need Digger Pro, which is not on sale. So just to let you know. Next, we have the Medieval Mega Pack Volume 2 by Aquarius Max. So this one is one of his mega packs. It is only compatible with the built-in pipeline, but it comes with, and it requires shader graph to be installed in the built-in pipeline in order for this to work. But you get 177 prefabs, some buildings and some items, fences, cliffs, trees, etc. So this is the type of thing you're going to get. Items. all the medieval items you might need for like an RPG type game. So it looks pretty good. Check it out. Aquarius Max's assets always get good reviews as well. Everyone seems to like them. So check it out. Next, we have Polygon Boss Zombies by Synty for $24. So this one gives you polygonal boss zombies, so low poly zombie bosses, and some other props as well for your post-apocalyptic zombie games that you might be working on. Synty assets always get good reviews, so check it out. Oh, $24. Normally it's $80. So next we have Sky Master Ultimate 2021 volumetric clouds, weather, fog, and ocean. So this is a weather system, and it's basically a volumetric sky cloud system, only compatible with built-in. But they are working on URP and HDRP support, which you can get the beta for when you buy if you buy this. So this includes everything in SkyMaster Ultimate with the addition of a tornado and global snow and rain system and adaptation to Unity 2021.3. And you can get Oceana's standard pipeline beta on request. So it includes volumetric clouds, lighting, ocean system, GI proxy, and optimated SEGI for real-time global illumination. So you can do skies, you can do oceans, and different types of weather effects. There's tutorials, lots of tutorials here. Mostly tutorials on the asset store page, so check it out. And you could watch the tutorials to see if it's something you want to get. Next, we have the Parkour and Climbing System from Fantacode Studios for $24. There was another Parkour set that was on sale on this flash sale, but I didn't recommend it because it required 3 other assets in order to work. But this one is a standalone Parkour asset, so it allows you to do all these different things with just this one asset, right? So hanging, free hanging, jumping, and all these type of things that you do in parkour games. So swinging, walking across beams, different parkour actions. So this one seems like it's a better asset than the other one that required 3 other assets. So I would, if I was going to buy one, it would be with this one. And it's compatible with all 3 pipelines as well. So check it out. And the reviews tend to be good for this as well. So don't hesitate. It looks like a really good asset. So check it out. And finally, we have, and last but not least, we have the Sim-cade Vehicle Physics by Ash Dev for $13.50. So this allows you to create like a Need for Speed style game, an arcade type racing game. So if you need high speed vehicles, like a Need for Speed game, this creates it very easily. And people say that the physics is, it's more forgiving than some other assets. So someone didn't like the way the code was designed, but it's mostly gets positive reviews. It's got responsive steering, responsive acceleration, easy drifting setup, and the dev is responsible, and the Discord is active. And so basically check it out. It seems like it depends. Like there's other vehicle assets on the store, but this one seems like it might be easier to set up than some of the others because I do have NWH2 vehicle physics, but when I find that it's hard to get the cars to behave the way you want them to. So check out Sim-cade as an alternative to that. This might be an easier, because a lot of times you don't need absolute like simulation reality to these things. A more arcadey feel is sometimes warranted, and a lot of times, like in Need for Speed games, this is the type of vehicle physics that they use. So check it out. So that's it for today, and that's it for this asset sale. We're finally finished. So goodbye to the asset store sale. This will be the last video. If you want to see my picks, check out my flash deals day 14 public list up on the asset store. The link is down below, and we will see you in the next video.